Hello friends, today I am going to unbox this door open special car. I am really excited to unbox this car. These cars are available in two colors, red color and yellow color, and it has different types of functions. We can move forward, reverse, turn left, turn right and open the doors using the remote control. We can insert the batteries like this in car and also insert the batteries like this in the remote control. So let's open this box. There are two items available in this box. We have to release the screw. Car looks pretty and its quality is good. Remote control should have more functions. We need a screwdriver to release the screw. Need two batteries for the remote control. We need to put the batteries in the car. We need 4 batteries for the car and the batteries is inside in the box. There is the on off button in the car. Okay, let's try this. The center button is doors open button. Okay, let's ride the car. Overall, the performance of the car is really good and the kids will love this car because doors open. Kids will really like this car, and I bought in Snapdeal. I will share the link in the description. If you want to buy, you can click and buy the car. Speed also good and but little bit bigger compared to other remote control cars. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel, and if you like the video, you can like our video. It will boost our channel. So thank you so much.
Take my eyes open to force reality. my weight in glee. I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.